Hey everyone, my new microphone just arrived. It's the Neewer NW-800. I got a 48 volt phantom power supply as well. So we'll go through, we'll unbox it. I'll show you how to set it up. We'll do a test on just the microphone itself. We won't have any external power. We'll see how the quality of that sounds, and then we'll go ahead, plug in the 48 volt power supply and see if there's a big difference, see if it's worthwhile buying both together, or whether or not you just need the microphone itself. Alright guys, hope you enjoy. Alright, so straight away, looking at the packaging, I gotta say it looks pretty cheap. It definitely doesn't stand out or win any prizes in that sense. Yeah, same as the power supply, really basic, really simple, but you know, I bought this online and it seemed to have held up pretty good, which is always good. So we'll go ahead, we'll open it up. So we got the foam cap here, which yeah, pretty cheap. We got the pamphlet, we just got some extra information, that sort of thing in there. I've got our shock mount here. And this is actually, it feels a bit heavier than I was expecting. But, it's got a nice foam insert there. It feels like it's pretty much mainly all metal. That actually feels pretty sturdy, it feels pretty strong. Overall looks pretty nice. We've got our XLR cable. So this is just a XLR cable. This will actually plug into the base of our microphone, and then that just can plug directly into our PC or laptop or wherever you're plugging it into, given it's got enough power running to the microphone as well. And the microphone itself, straight away that gold really pops out. It's really visually appealing, and looks nice. Finish on it, so yeah, really nice. It's definitely, it feels sturdy, feels a bit heavier. You know, not as much, not as many plastic parts as you'd expect. I only paid $25 on eBay for this. It's, I believe it's going for about $20 US on Amazon. I'll leave the links down below in the video. You guys can have a look. But overall, it looks like a nice microphone. Alright guys, now we'll go ahead and I'll show you how to set it up. So to begin with, I've got the microphone. It's just sitting here in the shock mount. Really simple to put in there. So you got these two clamps on the top, and yeah, just squeezing those together, and you can just slide it in and out easy enough. I was just going through the book, so there's definitely no instructions that came with it. So for someone who's never used one of these before, it might be a bit harder to figure out. So we'll do the first test and we'll set it up without the power supply, and we'll see how that sounds. So it does state there that you do need 5 volts of power, and some sound cards won't give 5 volts, which really drops the sound quality and the volume that you're going to get out of the mic. But we'll plug it in and we'll see what it sounds like. So what you want to do is just plug in your XLR cable to the base of the microphone. Like so, that'll just click in. It does have a little latch on the bottom there. So after we've done that, bring the camera up, and we're just going to plug our 3mm jack into the front.
Alright, so it's all plugged in, it's ready to go. I've got a couple of recordings here so you guys can have a listen and see the difference for yourself. So we've got the test from the front of the PC. You can go ahead and have a listen now.
Testing, 1, 2, 1, 2.
So there wasn't much background noise, like that's a lot better than I was first expecting. Pretty clear audio.
Alright, it's time to set up our power supply onto the microphone and we'll see if it sounds any better. So first we just plug in our female connection into the base of the microphone, and our male will go into the input of the power supply there. So I've still got it connected to the PC, which is our XLR female connection, and that can just plug directly into the output. Alright, now just our power. I've already got it plugged into the wall, so that just connects to the AC. You can see there, AC 18 volt, and plugs directly in. Now that is ready to just power on, and we should get a blue LED light ready to go.
So we'll go ahead. We've got the mic hooked up to the power supply. I was really surprised with this, so have a listen.
Second test, 1, 2, 1, 2.
So there you go, guys. There is no difference with that. I don't know what's happened, if we've got a dodgy power supply. I don't think so. I think it's just getting enough power from the PC. So when it's plugged in directly to the PC, there was no issue with volume at all. I do have it set at 0.77 volume up here, but really I don't think it's lacking in the voltage. So I think it's getting enough power. That's why there's no real difference. So look, that means you don't have to go with the phantom power supply if you don't want to. It depends on your PC, I guess, how much power you're putting out through your sound card, that sort of thing. To be safe, you could go ahead as well. You don't need to then buy one later on, and if you upgrade mics, you always might use it anyway or need it in the future. Alright, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I can highly recommend this microphone for anybody starting out. It's a great budget microphone and easy to set up, easy to use, and it's going to serve me well for a while yet. If you guys enjoyed the video, give us a like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.